journey was terrible. Experience was horrible.
This is pure Nandan, bro. Yellow house Nandan. This is green house Nandan, red house Nandan. No, guys, I won't speak today. My friends have irritated me so much. I won't speak today.
Okay, so let me introduce my best friend, Sonam Sharma.
Homie, guys. Hey, yada.
So we are.
I am her best friend only until I don't drive. As soon as I start driving, she'll go.
Actually, I was thinking that the last time we. Okay, we are going on a Dania ride. Oh my god. Okay.
Hey, I got my driver license, bro.
You got?
Yeah.
I still didn't get my driving license only.
See, I'm
Oh my
2
god.
kadam faster. What do you say that in English?
What do we say that in English?
Do
A
kadam
step
aage.
forward.
हाँ,
2 steps forward.
2 steps forward.
I am keeping dual camera and I'm showing your society. Okay. Nice. My god. No.
I told her. She is my best friend only until I don't drive.
Okay.
You should have seen us, bro. We had this fest, bro.
God, those people were also laughing, bro.
Okay. Okay. This is all her fault, guys.
What
I
did
did
I
not do
do? I didn't do anything.
Whenever she sits behind, I'm like this.
Oh my god. Oh, that Anna got to know. These people are a bit.
High. Hey, that
Oh my
day you
God.
should have seen, bro. We were so high. Okay, 3 people we were sitting,
Huh?
no helmet, and we were going in wrong side. Hey, you turn the camera off, bro. I don't do this. Oh my god. By the way, it was not my fault. He came in the wrong side.
I told you they'll give you half. How would you feel the sale, Sonam? 80% sale.
I mean, wow, 80% off, and the prices are. The minimum price there is 500 for
500.
kids section.
The sale we are talking about is this one. There is some sale going on over there.
The shoes that I have on Myntra for 1,300, they are selling for 4,000. Wow, what a sale!
Why? Swimming pool smell, bro.
I've not gone to swimming pool from so long
Yeah.
because I'll become tan. I'm already tanned, yeah. Look at this. Look at me.
Bro, I applied sunscreen, so only it is looking like that.
I don't have money for sunscreen also.
Bro, forget about money, you know. I was like, okay, let me take care of myself. I started using 100 rupees wala.
Hey, not kondu.
Hey, Lord. Okay. So yeah, today we are going to vlog.
I will not speak, guys. Please don't make me speak.
No, she'll speak.
No, I won't. I mean, in the end, I will, but no, I won't speak that much.
Okay.
I have become very silent, I swear.
Huh? You silent.
Today only, one of the boy in my class said, "She's like a child, bro." I'm like, what the hell? that big insult I got, so my heart is already broken.
No, next time whenever we plan, we'll go, in a group and we will.
No, I'll never make these guys meet my college friends because in front of my college friends I have that good reputation, and these people they treat me as if I'm nothing.
No, nothing, no.
I mean, they treat me good. I mean, they give me princess treatment. But after princess treatment, what comes? You don't know. I don't want you to know either. Super.
No. Look at that. They painted. Wow. Now you do hee hee. Nice.
This was there before.
I didn't see.
That one is new.
Say who this looks like.
This looks like Elephant.
No, this looks like
This looks like Nandan.
Nandan.
I swear this looks like Nandan.
We'll send him this one.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll send for sure.
And then this. Everything looks like Nandan. This is pure Nandan, bro. Yellow house Nandan. This is
We'll
green
show
house
him.
Nandan, red house Nandan, some color Nandan. Hey, red house Nandan. This is literally him. After every joke he makes on me, the face he makes.
There's so many paintings over there and all. Huh?
So cute. Everywhere. Look at my apartment, guys. Does
I
this even
miss
look like
this.
an apartment?
You know, actually, I got a dream that I'll be shifting this side. Don't know if it comes true. Hope it comes true.
See, everything she has dreamt in the morning has come true.
I
So
hope
even
this
should
also
come
come
true.
true.
Okay.
That too near your block only. Some new block. I don't know.
Oh. In phase 3. Phase 3 is so expensive.
I don't know, bro.
Oh my
yeah,
god.
yeah. I thought you will be falling there because you were coming, no? Step was, I was like, I was seeing here like this only. Then you
This
kept
is why she's my best friend. She knows that I'm actually so much messy. And my new friends keep asking me, are you like this? Are you like that? I'm like, if she was there, she would have understood everything.
Okay. That's then, bro, how's life going on?
Very nice.
Those people only I was
Look at
saying
those
they were looking like
boys.
chapri.
Yeah,
Those
actually.
only.
Oh,
That-
those only. Ew. Ew.
Okay, guys, no judging, okay?
Yeah, no judging. Just ew.
Okay. Okay, let's give some privacy there. They're recording some videos. We'll shut our mouths and we'll go now. Or else you can't. Yours is Airtel.
Geo.
Then why does mine work and why yours does not? We are going to explore some
Not
places.
near this. What is this? Or this? Nali?
Nali, huh?
OMG, I'm falling.
Careful. Why should boys have all the fun? Race.
I didn't even have to jump.
Then think about me. I need not have to.
Wait, let me get you. Okay. Careful.
See, I told you. Oh shit.
Yeah. Out of the whole apartment, we came to see what? A closed temple. The two near.
Actually, no.
This was a river before, I swear to God, guys. This was a river before.
Vishwabhavati.
Vishwabhavati, yeah. It is not that much smelly also. I mean, when we are inside, it is more smell.
Because you know we get used to that smell of
Seriously.
Yeah.
So many crows here. Oh my god, that's an eagle.
It won't zoom. It will on normal.
Is it? It's sitting on the branch.
Here.
No, that is crow. Here.
Oh,
this-
okay. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Nice. So that
Hey,
is the
eagles
temple.
eat our head, bro.
Hey, no, bro.
I swear to God, they do.
Okay. Don't scare. We thought first we came
I
to
don't
here,
have
no?
head, guys.
Bro, you don't scare me. Huh. That looks. There's another eagle there, bro. There are two.
Imagine we came here at night. Wow.
Oh, shut up. Don't do this, okay?
Looks
Where?
like a crow.
Where?
There, that.
That is cover, bro.
Oh shit. Okay, I'm into full field.
This one is cover.
Oh, thank God.
See our apartment, and we are here. Oh my god.
What?
They're doing some.
Oh
some
shit, let's
okay.
not go there.
We don't even know what that is.
Black energy.
Black energy.
I mean, I don't know what else.
Okay, so
Bad energy. Sorry.
bad energy. Now we have to climb that wall.
How will we do that?
I don't know.
I don't even know to do pull-ups.
Hey, I didn't see you put that cover. Matching mix. We'll go from there up better.
From which up? That will go outside our apartment.
That is what, huh?
Then what? You have to roam.
Okay,
for
no
long.
need. We'll climb somehow. We'll go
छोरियाँ छोरों से कम है के?
Okay. Anyway, that is half it.
Let's go, guys. Yee-hoo. Yee-hoo.
But careful, okay? That snake wala thing was there, no? Oh god, I got.
Snake house is there, right beneath.
Give that phone, I'll hold instead of there. I knew this place when I was here. Then later, it grew. Okay.
Let me get you. Hold on. How do you turn? She looks so
I
pretty.
got scared. I got already.
Yeah. How do you turn?
That is not there. Again, you have to record again.
Here's the. Ouch! On the snake house. I don't know if you can even see this.
Anyway.
Whatever.
But nice experience.
Yes, sir. Back to our apartment. Yee-hoo. What happened?
Scratched.
You should have been careful.
I was actually about to fall. So I jumped. So
She looks so pretty.
as if she does not guys.
Not so much.
Hey. Bro, people are jealous of us just because we look good.
Yeah, I know.
I thought we could see peacock, you know. Because
I am seeing one.
Oh my god.
Okay. I am no less than boys. Huh. What do you think? That is why I'm in this fit and she's in this fit.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Where
yes.
will we go?
Who knows? Hey, what are they doing there?
Chikni Chameli song is good.
Exactly, what is going on there? They were playing character Dheela before. And now Chikni Chameli? Let's explore. You know, one day, I was giving exam. One day I was giving exam.
Huh?
And then I did not expect my exam to go so good.
Huh?
I don't know which exam was that. Whatever.
Huh?
Okay, and then I wrote it so well.
Huh?
I was like, after the paper finished, like I was singing songs and all in my head.
Huh?
So after the exam finished, I was like, thank you for watching. Falfumu, bye. I said that and I left. The teacher was there. She's like, what? I'm like, no, I'm sorry, I'm not for you.
Maybe she would have thought that maybe this girl is too much into influencing things.
I don't know what did she think, but I did that.
So guys, this was my old apartment.
Yeah, look. Nice buildings, right? This one's old. She lived right behind this.
Yes.
And now she lives right behind. In my heart.
Oh my god.
You should date me, yeah.
If she was a guy, you know.
I wish I was. I'm tired of being girls, guys. See, I mean, yeah, in that way only, actually. I'm tired, okay? I can't do this anymore. So cute. You guys want to see, but I can't show them. Ah. She's so cute. She's so cute. There is something going on there. Can you guys? Oh,
What is going on?
oh, they had match. They had under 18 match.
God, babies everywhere.
One more cute baby. I'm dying. I want my brother to marry soon and have babies. I can't do this anymore. Please, brother. Please, my brother. Please marry.
Oh, this guy's name I forgot. Vamshi.
What is going on here?
Summer camp maybe.
अच्छा और कुछ?
What happened?
He's like ये तो पनौती दीदी है. Now he's saying प्यारी हो दीदी.
Leo, bro. Let's go.
When I used to play badminton, he used to cry to come to my team. Now that I don't play badminton, he's like, you're panauti degi.
He told yes for that one, yeah?
Then he said, when I asked, अच्छा बेटे, then he's like, नहीं आप तो प्यारी दीदी हो.
We'll go to 10 minute complex. I'm hungry. See how badly I'm sweating?
Yeah.
So guys, how much? 2 hours?
2 hours spent.
1 hour we were nicely. Huh?
I was about to say something.
What?
I forgot.
Wow. 1 hour we were nicely roaming, and another 1 hour we spent taking videos and photos.
Which are all bad. And she took all of them. Only bad photos of mine she wants.
For birthday, it's necessary, right?
I have so
many.
She'll bring out photos that were taken 6 years ago. When I was not even friend of hers. That time ke photos she'll bring.
I have everything in Snapchat saved. I have a separate folder only for these photos.
Her memory went off. I mean the phone memory went off.
I
She
took
deleted
pen drive.
her photos.
I
She did
have
not
photos
delete my
are there.
photos.
In Snapchat, literally they told only 5 GB, no? So I removed my photos.
Seriously?
Huh. I removed all my photos. Dog is there.
Dog?
Huh. It was there. So, you remember that day you were holding 2 phones? We vlogged that day
Yeah,
in that filter. We'll do with that.
Back to broke kid.
We'll do with that filter. Kich, someone will come. Wait, we'll do.
No, correct. Do.
Yeah, so this is my favorite filter. I always do this. No, you were telling something. No, back then I used to flaunt my 2 phones. Now back to bro. See me, rich kid, bro. 2 phones I have, and I have only also. What key is it? It is my child. You don't know what to say. Whatever, it is some key, okay. I have 2 phones. Yeah. Flaunt my 2 phones. Now back to broke kids. From rich kids to broke kids. Journey was terrible. Experience was horrible. But I can't speak more. I won't speak more. I don't want to speak more. But still, you had recorded. You remember? Because of her only. Every time she comes, she is the vlogger. But just because as soon as she holds phones, I will start speaking as if I do some influencing thing, like a big influencing thing, not even small. Like you get killed. नहीं बात करूँगी बोलती इतना बात कर देती हूँ ना मैं पागल हूँ मैं. Bro, whenever we both say we don't want to talk, that is not possible. Snake. अरे bro, snakes are enough around us. Yeah, from them only I learned this. Okay, we'll wait for this to grow. I'll sing something. Tell me what to sing. Shisha. Why did you show my nail face? This screenshot. But शीशा शर्म मुझे फेस शीशा शर्म You guys might be telling them go get braces. Who are you? I can't put this. That is why I said this. This is exactly why I said this.
अब तो इतने क्लोज हो चुके हैं कि मेरी मम्मी इससे भी काम करवाती है. दूध लेके आ, वो भी 2 डब्बे. तू भी आ जा. इसकी मम्मी भी बोला.
So,
मैं तो
3. It is raining.
बारिश होगी, चलो वापस घर चलो.
मम्मी हमें बारिश में ना धक्के मार के निकाल दे.
I don't think you will be allowed inside your house without bringing milk.
I swear. एक साइड चलो ना यार, क्या करें?
मैं तो एक ही साइड चलती हूँ.
Oh shit.
लगी यही होता है. मैडम जी क्या समझाया तूने? मैडम जी इन्फ्लुएंसर है.
My god. Do you remember that day we were going in scooty over here and we saw someone? This side we were going down there And we saw somebody from this one.
Someone
Someone like it felt like someone was standing and we came back and nobody was there.
अरे हाँ भूतिया एक्सपीरियंस तो हम लेते रहते हैं.
हमने भी किया था if you remember.
अरे
गागा.
क्या एक्सपीरियंस था वो बहन.
What happened?
Bro, one day, simply for fun, I took her and all the kids with me for just ghost experience kind of thing. हाँ. And फिर हम लोगों ने ऐसे मैं सात्विक वगैरह हम सब थे.
हाँ.
तो हम सब लोग ऐसे जा रहे थे. तो हम लोग ऐसे डराते इन बच्चों को हम लोग फॉरेस्ट वॉक में ले गए. वहाँ से जब हम लोग वापस आ रहे थे तो हम लोग वो बेसमेंट से होके आ रहे थे. वो क्या लाफ्टर कोर्ट है ना.
हाँ.
उधर से होके आ रहे थे. तो लाफ्टर कोर्ट से पहले जो एरिया है वो चलने वाला लेन.
हाँ.
उस लेन में हम लोग ऐसे जा रहे थे. हमने देखो एक घर में आग लगी हुई है. फॉर रियल आग लगी
You
हुई
went and
थी.
told security somebody.
Yeah.
I guess,
हाँ.
right?
वो फॉर रियल आग लगी हुई थी. हम सबने देखा कि वहाँ पे आग जल रही है.
हाँ.
तो हम लोग सडनली ऐसे डर के हम लोग भागे कि हम लोग जाके सिक्योरिटी अंकल को बताते हैं. आग
And
लगी
when
हुई है.
he checked it, nothing was there. You
हाँ.
told, yeah, you told. Now I remember when you told fire.
बाप रे. एक कैमरा को नहीं पता ना बताती हूँ. और जब हम लोग गए वहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी अंकल को बोला एंड सिक्योरिटी अंकल हमारे साथ वहाँ पे उस साइड में आए चेक करने के लिए कि ऊपर आग लगी है कि नहीं. तो कुछ नहीं था.
And they
वहाँ
were
पे
saying it
कुत्ता-
was a puja.
हाँ वो बोल रहे थे पूजा कर रहे थे हम लोग. पूजा में क्या पूरा घर में आग लगाते हो तुम लोग. और फिर वहाँ से कुत्ता भौंक रहा है पता नहीं. और उनको कैसे पता चला कि हम उन्हीं के घर को देख रहे हैं. वो आंटी बाहर क्यों आई. कुत्ता कहाँ से आया था.
उनके घर में ही था.
कुत्ता उन्हीं के घर में था.
हाँ. भौंक रहा था जैसे उसने यमराज को देख लिया.
क्या खतरनाक था वो.
But here, this ghostful experiences were so many.
So many.
Okay.
बारिश हो जाएगी तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे.
Helmet. I'll go from inside.
You recorded that also. Wow.
Where this side I kept. So guys, finally, day spent.
Why is she going?
Come and scooty, no problem. One person can to sit back side.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
मेरे घर पे कौन रहेगा फिर.
Bro, you have two brothers there at home only. I'm not taking them also and going.
Those both are useless.
Bye. Bye. Oh, bye bye.
करने का ही.
Bye bye कर लेकर. Where is my scooty?
चुरा लिया है. अरे वही. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को कहीं बदलना चाह. मेरी आवाज इतनी गंदी है क्यों गा रही हूँ.
No, it is nice. Copyrights will come, bro.
अच्छा. और कुछ. Anything else? कल वो फोटो भेजा था याद है. डस्टबिन को दिखा रहे. Anything else? These भुलक्कड़ people ग्रुप में भेजा था मैंने. नंदन को बोल रही थी मैं.
हाँ. अरे
अरे कुत्ते को याद कर लिया. वो तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. कौन है तू.
तू कौन है?
तू कौन है.
मैं पुलिसमैन हूँ.
Oh.
कैसे करके दिखा.
Oh, Priyanka Chopra's talent moving both the eyeballs in different direction. Bye guys. Vlog ends here.
ये ब्लॉगर है क्या?
बाय. कितनी बार बाय करो.